Today I'm reading from Creative Thought from Reverend Susan Hartlight of North Hollywood, California. And she wrote, "With joy I express my gratitude and am open to receive my good. Knowing my word has power, I release it to the creative law of mind and experience my desires manifest, and so it is." So let us put these words of wisdom to work in our lives through affirmative prayer. I'm going to say this prayer in the first person. Take it in for yourself. If I say something that works for you, hold tightly to that. If I say something that doesn't work for you, just let that part slide by. But just know this truth with me today. There is but one mind, one God, one power. That power is perfect love. It's divine intelligence. And that power is flowing through me, with me, and for me. So here today, I open my mind to every great idea of how I can live in more love, more joy, and prosperity. Here today, I lift my eyes up and see myself as a free child of the Most High, here on earth to experience every good thing that life has to offer. This is my truth. I celebrate this right knowing, and I release this prayer into the mind of God to do its good and powerful work, returning to me multiplied abundantly. And together we say, and so it is. Hi, this is Reverend Ken. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to like and share our video and comment on the video. It will mean a great deal to us. It will help spread our message out to a wider audience. So again, be sure to like us, to make a comment about us, or to share it with all your friends. It will do a great deal of good. Thank you so much.